What do you see?
They backed the truck into the driveway. Nobody visible.
They're probably working in the back.
Callan, we got eyes in the truck.
There's only one road out from the cabin. Be ready in case they run.
Copy that.
G. Raccoon's in bad shape.
You think rabies?
The hell?
Block your ear. It's still there.
Microwaves.
You good?
It's not too bad.
Kenzie, Deeks engaged, but stay covered. They got another microwave weapon.
Go.
It's coming from behind the wall.
Getting worse? A little bit of pain. Oh. Okay, that's vertigo.
Same.
Give it a minute, maybe it'll pass.
You hearing that?
Yeah, it's like the morning after an Iron Maiden concert.
It's microwaves.
Well, maybe that means they're out of bullets.
Or not.
Yeah, evidently not.
How's your vertigo?
It's easing up a bit.
Kenzie, Deeks, give him everything.
With pleasure. Yippee-ki-yay.
Let's do this!
Are you spinning?
Son of a bitch, where's it coming from?
I think it's the microwaves.
Pretty sure this is how my mom spent the 60s.
Just keep your head down, okay?
Are you gonna be pissed if I throw up?
Just don't get shot.
Oh, no me gusta.
Two guys, two shots. Microwave disabled.
Shoot it down!
There could be more inside the cabin. Kenzie, Deeks, truck's headed your way.
Got it.